A jaguar, the supreme jungle predator. The river marks the edge of his territory. But here, he has competition. He's now in the territory of a female. She has ruled this stretch of river for 5 years. This is her place to hunt. Capybara are strong and wary. The key is stealth. She needs to get within 3 feet if she's to pounce. Not this time. She's not the only female here. Each part of this jungle's edge is ruled by a different queen. Few places on Earth have enough food to support so many big cats. The male hunts in a different way. Weighing almost 300 pounds, it's hard to be stealthy. And with so many other jaguars around, he doesn't bother with wary capybara. He seeks a different prey. He's become a killer of killers. Jaguars have the most powerful bite of any cat. And he knows the caiman's most vulnerable point, the back of its skull.